How's it going? Kevin here, or Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking at Walnut Creek Middle School, home of the Hawks, and the topic today was all about positive life choices. One of the biggest we can make is to love ourselves first before we show that love to others, and to keep our head up. I'm starting here on the ground just because I'm showing the fact that it does take a lot to get past some of the pain in our lives, some of the loss, some of the hurt. And like my shirt says, keep your head up, upside down on purpose. If we're feeling down or look down, it always says, keep your head up. And we really remember some of the habits here at Walnut Creek, right? The PRIDE acronym that stands for a positive attitude and respect of ourselves and others. Always have an integrity where our words match our actions. Being determined to overcome anything in our lives, whatever it throws at us. And also always striving for excellence, not just academically, but within our lives. And a lot of that stems from how we treat people. That it's true that hurt people, but it's also true if we choose this, that healed people can heal people. And a lot of that healing starts in our hearts, as big as our fist. And if we let peace and love and empathy and kindness fully enter into here, we turn this into this. And just in 2 seconds, we can change a life forever, sometimes save a life. To remember our own worth, our own value, even if we've been told lies. To remember that we are true miracles. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, and for Walnut Creek. But just to keep having that respect for not only us, to not go towards the temporary fixes, the short-term solutions, the substance abuse or other negative, destructive habits, but to form really positive ones that are safe and that we deal with some of the hurt in our hearts in a healthy way. To get past that sometimes these storms have to happen for rainbows to appear, for new life to spring up. And we know that we have to be all in. That's the alarm, the sound that we need to be all in to heal hearts. Thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys soon. Peace.